I love it.
Really? You want a couple?
Yeah. I told them we're going to
You can listen to them all day long.
I should do that with my kids. You're not like, who's that? like, like, oh my God. And I'm trying to be... Yeah, really. It's not going to work.
What if the fireworks shoot inside? What if the fireworks
It won't.
I was going to Harry Chapin's concert.
I would get this way and it would never hit me.
Boom!
I would stop.
Oh, that was cool. I like that one. That looks like a weeping willow. Weeping willow. Phil, it's a weeping willow. Boom!
My willow doesn't weep. It's an oak. That's not. You caught that one.
I did.
Fireworks.
Oh, you got an oak.
That's the ones I like.
That's the ones.
Yeah.
Woo! Put your shirt on. Gonna sit down?
I know, I really probably should because I got white on. The grass is going to be nasty on my ass.
Sit on top of me. Why not lay down?
Boom!
Why
Luana's playing there. Sweet! Fireworks. I want to go. I want to see her play. Who's she playing with?
The guy from my Dennis is playing. And she's a heavy girl. She sings, but she's really good.
Oh, okay.
She's a great singer.
I want to go see her.
That's Free Fall.
Is that Free Fall?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that one. It's my favorite.
You're going to have to wait.
I can't have to bed. Mom didn't drink anything.
I played the last
Dad, they go like this.
Oh, look at that.
That was pretty cool.
That was really nice. No, but even it was such a delay.
There goes the ground.
Now, hey Justin, that's a now.
Oh, my favorite part!
Hey, look at that. No, more's coming.
We'll play next Saturday.
Is that the same one, Corey?
What's that?
Was that the same?
Oh, I'm not sure.
What do you...
You better get the name.
It's Woody.
Because I want to email those people that you gave me the paper.
Oh, yeah.
And one said she goes, I'll bring, there's my paper.
Oh,
Woody's.
Gotta look it up, make sure that's
Woody's
right.
much. Light shot? Something.
Oh, jeez.
So it's the only wood. That's the other place down there. You always play outside. Got anything down there?
Well, Silver Lake? Yeah. I gotta look at the calendar.
Probably the weekend already.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Christmas Eve.
How do you make fireworks?
How? There's a little Chinese guy stuffing all the...
I call that one.
I was watching the show how they make it.
That one looks like a
That's what they do all year long. They make all kinds of fireworks for everyone.
It's got to be like a composition of stuff,
It's
right?
all gunpowder, and they stuff it into these... And then they, yeah, I know. Now that goes off and then it shoots out and it does whatever.
I love that.
I like that.
I hope she does, but Corey will get it all on video. So it's like she was here with us.
In spirit.
Spirit.
There's what? Fireworks.
Purple. Oh, that's cool. What the hell happened to that one?
I like that. Pumpkin thing goes out.
It didn't do anything.
There's a finale.
Not yet.
Ow!
Higher than.
No, you're hurting. I don't want to don't pick me then. Don't pick my leg.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Fireworks, baby. Yeah, that's right.
Don't do that.
Boom.
Right that way. You didn't do that before.
You ever watch our show? How they do that?
Yeah, well,
How'd I do that?
Oh, that sent shivers up my spine.
Wow, beautiful. I got like,
Wow, like a mushroom.
oh, they gotta do that one again.
don't forget
Back to the trees.
Oh, wow. Man, that really gave me the chills. Huh?
These are like freaking sticks of dynamite.
How can you see them even if they're far away?
Ooh, look at that.
I know.
It's a new one for this year. That's a New Year's model.
That was nice.
Don't do that.
It's like a little...
I get all
Yeah.
excited. Keep doing that. I'm hoping Donna.
All right.
Yeah.
Mine.
She's gonna get to see the finale.
Yay.
Good.